In 2020 cricket, the Perth Scorchers have beaten the Hobart Hurricanes to win the rematch of last season's final. The Scorchers were held to 141, but it was enough as the Hurricanes failed in reply. The Hurricanes took crucial early wickets, and when the Scorchers tried to increase the run rate, more wickets fell. Ashton Turner's partnership with Sam Whiteman was the key to the Scorchers' total.
And that is right out of the middle of the bat. And that's 15 rows back.
Some brilliant fielding moves kept the pressure on the Hurricanes batsman. Michael Hill was one of only two Hurricanes to score a boundary, but fell for 64 chasing late runs. 2 wickets fell in the final over as the Scorchers recorded an 18-run win.